Introducing Cetus2, revolutionary extruder design for on-the-fly switching multicolor and multi-material 3D printing. Seamlessly switch between two materials and colors. No need to print wasteful purge tower. Cetus2 is time-saving and material-saving. The co-extrusion printhead can mix materials at any ratio of 0 to 100%. So you can print pure colors, blended colors, or even color transitions. The newly developed system allows you to define every position of material switching on the model with a simple setup using the dedicated software. Join us now and enjoy the unprecedented 3D printing with material and color mixing innovation.